Hey boys and girls. So I am going to be showing you how to navigate through your online class notebook. First things first, you're going to log in to My Passcode Connect and you are going to go to Office 365. You should all be familiar with Office 365. Once you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page. Now you see all these apps right here? You're going to click Class Notebook. It might not show up on these apps. It shows up for me because it's a recent app that I've used. You might have to click All Apps. Okay, next it's going to bring you to your Class Notebook page. Now yours is going to look a little bit different than mine because on mine over here I have all of you guys. You guys are only going to be able to see your own notebook. You also will not be able to see teacher only. You will be able to see collaboration space. I don't have anything in here yet. You'll be able to see content library. I also don't have anything there yet. Collaboration space is where we might do some group work together. I might group you guys up and have you guys all work on something together. Content library is a place where I might store extra resources for you. Collaboration space is where you are able to go in and edit and make changes and type or do whatever you want. Content library, you will not be able to do that. That is a place where I can just put things in for you to look at. Alright, so when you log into your class notebook and you click on your name, like I said, you won't see this teacher only, you'll only see yours with your name on it. It's going to look just like this, where it has the days of the week. It also has ALUs and my Zoom link page. So if it's Monday, you're going to click on Monday, and then you're going to see over here in the pages a welcome page, and then you'll have your subjects and specials. On this welcome page, I might list a couple different groups that I would like to work with, like some small groups for math or reading. And then on each of these pages here, this is where your work will be for math, reading, writing, science, and social studies. And then your special areas teacher will post what they would like to post on this page. I think I have a little bit more in Tuesdays. So, say it's Tuesday, all you're going to see is Monday and Tuesday. You're not going to be able to, you'll also see ALUs and then my Zoom link. You're not going to be able to see the days ahead. Therefore, you won't be able to really work ahead besides working ahead on your activity list. So if it's Tuesday, I'm going to go to this good morning page. I'm going to read what my teacher put here. My teacher asked me to do a morning meeting response question. And they said to type it in the left side of the notebook. Morning meeting response. You will not be able to type on this first page, but if I click over here on morning meeting response, you will be able to type. Then I will be able to go in and I'll be able to read all of your responses. Now for math, you might see a video here that I've created for you on the lesson. You might see, I might just put here, please join my math group at this time. Whatever directions it says, just follow those directions and you'll be good to go. Same for all of your other subjects. For ALUs, this is where you're going to see your unit that we're working on. This is where you'll see the task, the rubric, and your activity list. Your activity list work may be located in these tabs underneath your unit, and you can work on that once, just like you would in school. Once you get a math assignment done, you can go ahead and move on to an activity list assignment. And right down here is where you'll see my Zoom link I haven't put in yet. It's pretty user friendly, so it shouldn't be too hard to navigate, but we are learning together, therefore it's going to be a big learning experience for all of us. All right, guys, I hope that I've answered any questions that you might have, and have a good day.